Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Abdul Hakim bin Azman from Group 16, Section 1. So, our group will explain a little bit briefly about a product that we choose and how we're going to produce it using sand casting process. So, I will pass the presentation to Brother Iskandar.
Alright, thank you Amirul. Okay, today we gonna do the foundry process. We're gonna make another copy of this spoon. So before anything, we need to make the mold. We need to have a molding process. What you can see right here is a type of molding cast or molding box. So the molding cast of the molding box, the upper part is called the coop and the lower part is called the drake. Okay, so mainly we gonna need another sand, the molding sand. Okay, that we're gonna fill it up in the coop. Okay, firstly we must place the pattern inside the drake. That's important. We must place the pattern inside the pattern is this the spoon. We place the spoon inside the drag, and then we can place the sand around the pattern. We place the sand around the pattern and we fill it up. Nicely in the drag. Drag is the lower part, so we can start to use the buffing, and then we need to ram to pack it nicely, okay, to pack the sand. So after we have done the ram, we can use the ramming tool to do it, to do the ramming job, the ramming process. Okay, so after we have done it, we need to the dust putting the surface using fine sand or putting powder. This another type of putting powder. Okay, and then we reverse the drag and place the dough on top of the drag. We use a runner. Runner is we need to make a hole so that the iron can be injected into the mold. So we need to use a runner. There's a many type of runner. So I'm using a wooden taper pin as a runner. Then we fill the coop with the sand and we also ram the sand. Okay, to ram the sand. After we've done that, this is process we need to striking, or we need to level the sand. We can use the striking bar in here. Okay, finally we can separate the coop and then drag the pattern. We can separate the coop and the drag, then remove our spoon from there. Okay, our spoon from there, and we can start to lock it back again. Okay, to pour our metal into the mold, our hot metal into the mold. So that's the type of runner we can use. Okay, I'm using wooden tap piner. Okay, wooden taper thing. Okay, so pouring into the mold, we're gonna need a furnace to do it because we need to melt our iron. So we're using pit furnace. So we need to pour the hot iron, the molten iron, into the hole that we have made into the mold. So we can inject the iron into the mold, and after we're done the casting, so we let it cool down, separate the coop and the drag after where the iron is cooled down a bit, and it had served the solidification of the iron, and then we can start to clean and the finish it. The final process is to inspect. There's a type of porosity or there's a shrinkage in the our copy of the spoon. Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you very much for the chance. Assalamualaikum.